Yeah.
What's this?
Black Card Review.
Uh-oh. Do. Theme music. Theme music. Theme music. Theme music. All right,
202 2020.
whether you are part of the black community or not, everyone can play this game.
Everybody is part of the black community because the culture is so rich and it's woven in everything we do. Hey!
All right.
So
we're going to pose 5 questions. You can see them on the screen. We'll help you out. And we'll give you a couple of seconds to answer and see if you got them right or wrong. You ready? Let's do this. Go ahead, baby.
Go, baby? Okay. In which city was Martin Luther King Jr. killed?
I'm not going to do the favorite question, I promise.
What's the answer? Cheating.
I'm not cheating. Everyone knows it's Memphis, Tennessee.
All right, good job. Ding, 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 ding. He won.
According to Mama, don't look. According to Mama, what does it mean if your hand itches? Oh, you or me? You didn't even give me choices. I'm gonna give y'all choices for that one. You got debt to pay. You about to lose your hand. You need to wash your hand. You coming into some money.
What you think? Coming into some money.
Boo, boo, boo.
All right, Black Card Revoked. Here we go. Why shouldn't a woman put her purse on the floor?
Ooh.
A, it'll get stolen. B, it'll get dirty. C, a roach might crawl in it. D, you'll stay broke.
I think, oh wait, give y'all a little time. Y'all got it?
Hey, what is it?
You stay broke.
You stay broke.
You're disrespecting
this is true.
The vessel God has given to you.
This is true. This is what we think. This is what we think.
Ooh, this one's ooh. What year was interracial marriage legalized in the U.S.?
Give me
1960. Oh my bad. 1964, 1952, 1973, or 1967.
I think it is 67. Is 67?
67.
Hey!
It took them that long.
Hey! We got the blending going on.
Got the mocha?
Hey!
Mocha latte.
Hey!
A mocha latte and the cream mixed with the chocolate.
Mix it up. What movie does every black person have in their collection?
Ooh.
A, Friday. B, Boys in the Hood. C, The Color Purple. And D, Scarface. You have all of them? Do we have all of them?
But here's the dang trick question. It doesn't. There's no right or wrong.
There's no right answer.
Yes, I did. I got Friday.
Yeah, Friday.
And that's it.
We got The Color Purple on
do?
VHS.
Oh wow!
It's in that collection that we have.
Some of y'all, if you're younger than 21, you're like, oh what?
Bada bing, bada boom.
Let's do this. All right, what's going on, YouTube? All right, thank you guys so much for hearing that. I am Mr. Pleasant.
I am Mrs. Pleasant.
And this is a Pleasant Love. Right now, you're about to watch part 2, so the edit might look a little weird because what had happened was we were talking about moving forward, and then something dawned on my baby that is very important to talk about in the black community. So this one's a little bit shorter. But we wanted to make sure that we put it out there because it's very important that we as a black community, human community, stay together so that we can build a legacy of what? For our future generation. We are tired of living in the generational curse, generational cycle of poverty and just untrustworthiness of the world or being less than and something like that.
Yes.
So, happy Black History Month. Again, thank you so much. Enjoy the video. And like I said, there's a time and place for secular music, but not all of them. Right now, you need healing. You need healing. You don't need to hear rough shakers. All right, you need to heal. Okay, so again, find that safe place, find that inner circle, and pray. You know, however you need to pray. All right.
Yeah.
And you have any final words?
No, I think we covered everything. moving forward is something that we all have to decide to do.
Yeah.
And it's I forgot to even talk. We forgot about to even talk about that in the African American diaspora of mental health. Okay.
Oh yeah. Oh yes. Thank you
the
so
diaspora.
much. Thank you so much.
I'm saying this for a reason because Jesus.
We're not.
My God.
We're not all scam artists. All right. I'm really here to help someone.
Oh.
Hey, you're not a crazy person if you need to see a therapist.
Oh, come on. Oh my God, generational. It's generational.
It's generational.
Some people will know what I'm talking about, but your great grandma didn't forgive your auntie for something she did, and then now your auntie don't like your other side of your family.
Black History Month.
Now your grandmother, that's Black History Month right there. Bada bing, bada boom. Then your grandmother don't trust the other side of the family because they thought they was going to amount to nothing. So then there's no forgiveness there. So then you don't know the other side of the family. So then your other side of the family, something else didn't happen. So they never forgot, said what they had to say. Words weren't never spoken. And bada bing, bada boom. You don't know them either. So you don't even know who you are. Black diaspora. Lord have mercy. Help us, Jesus.
All right,
help us, Holy Ghost. I went off because I'm talking from experience. Hey, man.
This probably be after credits.
No, this is good. This is good. Black History Month. Hey, people.
Please.
My people.
Please. Talk.
African American.
Talk.
African.
Please. We got to let go of the pride.
Africa.
We got to let go of the pride.
Anyway, if you're chocolate, you got a hue of chocolate in you. Listen to it.
I'm not gonna get too deep.
We hold on to strong
There's
holds.
There's a reason why we're
like
that.
You gotta let it go.
And we gotta not let go. We
move forward. And by moving forward, if you gotta talk to that person, and they gotta hear you and you hear them, pray together first,
right?
So that you have the best intentions for one another, and then talk that thing out. And hopefully, if you come to a compromise or an agreement, you can move forward. And remember, what you do now affects the generations after you.
Oh yes.
And for some reason, we have forgotten that completely.
Right.
God is everywhere, and we are so hooked on. We have social media, but we don't use it the best of our abilities. Like
right. we use it
to just look at each other,
roast each other, talk about each other, share stuff that doesn't need to be shared.
He is so near and present that if we took the time and really just looked for him.
Right.
He's right there.
Yes.
And he is there for us. He is our best friend before we were our own friend, before we even like ourselves. Right. He loved us, y'all. I'm sorry, I went off on a tangent.
But they hold on to something so long. Long.
So why you don't like such and such? Well, back then in 1970 something. 1970 something?
Yeah.
Wait a second. We in 2020.
I could bring it up today. You know, they haven't seen the person. Oh, back in California. We live in Texas. We be back in California. What do you mean back in New York? They did such and such to me. I can't let it go. It's just such a waste of time.
I'm like, did you ever? This is my thing. I go, did you ever like talk to them? Like, did you ever go and like or try to reach out to them? And did they ever come back and try to talk to you?
Yeah.
I want to say 75% of them have never done that.
Right.
Never actually reached out and say, hey, we got a disagreement. Let's talk about this thing.
Right.
25% probably have.
Right.
And the other side won't come to the table.
Right.
Won't come to see what's really going on because of their own prejudgments or because of their they didn't gave up. They like, it is what it is. They who they are, and it is what it is. You know, we talking about ourselves. We're also talking about our family and our friends that we see, and our patients and your students. Like we see this throughout our culture. Like it's just, and maybe I'm talking from the Black experience, amen. It's other cultures probably have the same situations going on, but I see it so heavy on the Black community because we have all of these levels of wealth now that's established because now we are more educated. Let's break that down. Let's go back to the root of it all. Who are we?
Right.
Do we love ourselves? Do we love God?
Right.
Can we find a common denominator between us two so that we can share this world and build our communities, you know? Black History 101. Moving forward, we gotta do better for one another. We gotta see the good in one another.
Yeah.
And we can't hold on to to grudges and to, well, she said this and she did that, because life is short.
Right.
Life is so short. And we have to find ways to move past that. And if you can't move past that, peacefully separate, of course. Do what you got to do. And don't down that person, because we are so, especially us women, we big old knives in each other. That's just not healthy for you, and it's not healthy for the person either. You don't want to do that. If you have any comments on this situation or stories you want to share, please put it in the comments.
Yes, go ahead.
Because people don't understand. You have things that you go through, and it's usually a generational curse, or it's been given down. That's generational patterns that we continue to indulge in. That's not really healthy for us. All right, how was that video? I went off on a tangent, didn't I? I'm sorry, guys. I'm sorry, I did. I'm sorry, I went on a tangent. My bad. It's on my heart. You understand? It's on my heart because I love everybody. I love you if you're chocolate. I love you if you're Asian. I love you if you're Indian. I love all of us.
But sometimes we gotta talk a little bit
chocolate
about
people.
We gotta talk to us.
We gotta get.
Sometimes you need that daddy, that mama.
I hate that.
You gotta have that daddy and that mama talk. We're not your daddy. We're not your mama.
No.
But we're just saying sometimes you gotta have that person. There's always that one. Let us be that people. Just be like, now look at here. Look at here.
Let's start this conversation. Let's open up the floodgates.
Now, baby, you know you're not doing right. Did you clean your drawers?
Did you clean your drawers?
You know you don't go to the doctor's office without. Don't be opening my door back and forth, letting all the good air out.
Anywho, we love y'all. Have a happy Black History Month. And if you are not chocolate and you're watching this video, please go support a Black business, get to know a Black person. If you have any questions, hit us up down in the comments.
Yes.
And embrace us, because we are a loving people, a forgiving people for sure, and we want to grow together, and we want to keep growing as human beings. Amen. So have a wonderful February, and we will see you guys on the next video. Have a pleasant love.
Peace.
Bye, guys.